Still a lot of R&D needed there.
Okay, material science, that sounds critical. What else?
Regulations. This is a big one. Most countries have nuclear licensing rules written entirely around traditional water-cooled reactors.
The old playbook doesn't work for a new game.
Exactly. Regulators need to develop, review, and approve completely new frameworks and safety standards specifically for MSRs. And that process can be really slow and complex.
Makes sense. You need the rules before you can build lots of them.
Yeah.
What about just the cost in getting these things built at scale?
That's where China's state-backed approach might give them an edge again. They can potentially make huge long-term strategic investments and maybe push through deployment faster.
Whereas in the West, maybe it's more reliant on private investment and navigating more complex approvals.
Potentially, yes. Securing consistent funding and dealing with potentially longer regulatory timelines could slow things down elsewhere. We saw something similar with solar power, didn't we?
How so?
Well, China made massive strategic investments and implemented policies that just drove down solar panel costs incredibly quickly and led to absolutely staggering deployment.
Right. They dominate solar manufacturing now.
Yeah, by mid-2024, they had something like 700 gigawatts installed, adding 100 gigawatts in just the first half of the year. It shows what that focused, state-driven model can achieve in clean tech deployment. It could be a similar story with MSRs if they crack the technical issues.
Okay, so pulling this all together, thorium MSRs, they definitely sound like they have huge potential. Safer operations, less waste, abundant fuel, a real shot at a better form of nuclear power for everyone.
The potential is absolutely there, but, and it's a big but, success really hangs on nailing those tough technical challenges, especially the materials science.
And getting the regulations sorted out. Plus, you need serious, sustained investment globally.
Right. And China right now seems to be the one pushing hardest and fastest. That 2029 pilot plant, that's going to be a really critical one to watch if they pull that off successfully.
It could genuinely start to reshape the energy landscape, offering that stable, low-carbon power source we desperately need.
Absolutely. Which leaves us with a big question, really, for you listening. Can other countries realistically catch up or compete in this space?
Or is China basically set to dominate the next chapter of nuclear energy? And what does either outcome mean for global energy security, for independence, and for that big transition to clean energy?
Yeah, definitely something worth thinking about as we watch this technology unfold. It could be a really pivotal shift in the years ahead.
Enjoying the content? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support keeps us going. Thanks for being awesome.